Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Greg McLeod from the Pip and Run Forex Scalping Bootcamp, brought to you by Elite Traders University. And I did a trade on the dollar yen. I wanted to give you a little brief trading lesson on banker support. Now, bankers, the big banks and institutions usually trade around certain levels, and a lot of the retail traders are not even aware that price moves to these levels that can act like price magnets to either repel or attract price. Now, in this case, I was looking at the dollar yen last night and early this morning, and I was looking at how price was making higher highs and higher lows into this 111, the 00 area. The bankers levels end in 00, 25, 50, and 75. So 110.75 is the banker's level, and I have the indicator on CTrader, which draws these white lines, which these are banker support levels, and you can see how price is consolidating around those levels before moving on. And so we see as price is moving up in this kind of an uptrend, it's really getting tired. The waves are overlapping, the small body candles, more red ones and green ones, and then we break a trend line. Now, I went short on a break of the trend line, and I had a stop above the high, but I kept the stop was too tight on the first position. I was stopped out. You have to give it a little room to breathe because sometimes you'll get some outsized little moves there that may stop you out. So you might want to give like maybe 15, 20 pips to that. They only had like 11 pips stop on that. Now, banker support was a 111.00. Price started to challenge that with lower swing highs. I went short again, and then I took profit at the 110.75 area. I left these profit targets here at 110.85 because it was an old low here that I took profit at. I let the rest of that position run here, but you can see that we went right to the pip 110.50. That's dropped to this banker support level, the 50 level there. And we see prices rebounding from there. So I could have taken it long on a bounce from that area. And you can see that out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, I was 5 for 6 and made a little over $1,000 in just one day. Okay, not even a full day. I was out of the trade when I woke up, and that's a pretty good. Sleeping pips are a great way to trade. Now, you think about $1,000 a day, 5 days a week, it's $5,000 a week times 4 weeks in the month. That's $20,000 a month. Now, what could you do with $20,000? You could probably do a lot of different things. Travel, buy, put away for your retirement, quit your job, a lot of different things. Now, you take that $20,000 and you do that for 12 months, that's $240,000 a year. And so you're making quite a bit of money there, working only a few hours each day. So if you want to learn about these bankers levels, if you're not sure, you want to learn some more, there's a link called Make Impact Money Now. Click that link, enter your name, register, and then attend and watch that and learn how you can use bankers levels in your trading. As well as you stay to the end, there's a special bonus, a bonus offer where I will coach you for an hour, and it usually is $1,000, but I'll do that for free. Let's go ahead and click that link, register, choose a time and date on the calendar, fill out a little brief questionnaire so I know what kind of level you are, whether you're basic or advanced, or so I can learn more about you. And then we can go from there and lay out a game plan for you to improve your trading. This is Greg McLeod from the Pip and Run Forex Scalping Bootcamp and the Elite Traders University signing out. Peace and pips. Cheers. Bye-bye.